The newest inductee into the Global Medical Missions Hall of Fame has, for the past 4 decades, been on a crusade to eliminate avoidable blindness in those areas of the world plagued by poverty and poor access to medical care. Dr. Raju says that if blindness is preventable, then let us do it big. Huge might be a better way to measure the impact that VK has had on impoverished parts of the globe. Since returning to his native India in 1977 to offer his first eye camp, VK and the organization he created, the Eye Foundation of America, has served some 2 million patients, facilitated more than 600 physician exchanges, trained more than 200 ophthalmologists, and performed 300,000 vision-saving surgeries in 21 countries, including Nepal, Cambodia, and Afghanistan. The World Health Organization estimates that 1 child goes blind every minute and that 1.4 million children are blind worldwide. Given that vision impairment is especially detrimental in children because up to 80% of early learning occurs through vision, VK's work is critical. The World Bank has said that combating childhood blindness is the most cost-effective health intervention. Among the efforts that the resident of Morgantown, West Virginia has undertaken includes delivering vitamin A supplements to children in developing countries for just a few pennies per dose, and working with Johns Hopkins University to find the best and most efficient ways to deliver those supplements. The man who earned his medical degree from Andhra University in India and completed his ophthalmology residency and fellowship at the Royal Eye Group of Hospitals in London, England, has lived in Morgantown since 1976. Running a private practice at the Monongalia Eye Clinic, he is also a clinical professor of ophthalmology at West Virginia University and the section chief of the ophthalmology department at Monongalia General Hospital. But more than anything, VK's sight is focused on the poor. Whenever VK performs LASIK surgery in this country, a surgery to get rid of glasses, all of the proceeds are used to purchase glasses for those in other countries. A fellow of the Royal College of Surgeons and the American College of Surgeons, VK also brings his missionary work to his West Virginia office. This is Shrinu Madula, who came from India at the age of 2. He was legally blind. The child underwent corneal transplants on both eyes in Morgantown under VK's caring hands and returned 2 years later for a follow-up exam. Here's the real follow-up, an everlasting testimony to VK's kindness. This is Shrinu with his mother back in the United States some 20 years later, having just completed his doctorate in pharmacy from Rutgers University. That Shrinu's grandparents lived to see his graduation was special. That the young man was able to see their reaction was unforgettable. The impact that VK has had is simply amazing. Meet Deepa, whom VK first met at the age of 2, suffering from crossed eyes. Here's Deepa at her wedding 19 years following surgery. Vision restored, she is now a mother with 2 children of her own. This youngster had developmental cataracts. VK performed bilateral cataract surgery when he was a boy of 10. The young man went on to graduate from college. As one would expect, the honors that have come his way for his efforts are many. The American Medical Association Foundation presented him with the Dr. Nathan Davis International Award for Excellence in Medicine. He's received the Outstanding Humanitarian Award from the American Academy of Ophthalmology. Lions International and Rotary International have both recognized the physician for his work, and he was also selected to receive the Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Achievement Award. In 2016, the International Association of Healthcare Professionals recognized him in its publication, The Leading Physicians of the World. VK and his wife Rani have 2 children, son Ashok, an investment banker in New York City, who has blessed VK with a grandchild, and daughter Leela, who is following in her father's footsteps. Leela is chief of ophthalmology at Bellevue Hospital in New York City, while also playing a major leadership role for her father's Eye Foundation of America. For more than 35 years, VK has devoted his life to others. As for the future, VK says this is just the beginning. Unfortunately, countries such as Vietnam and South Africa are filled with need, and fortunately, VK is more than up to the task at hand. As he says, age is just a matter of mind. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. With a clear eye toward clear vision for underserved people throughout the world, we welcome Dr. VK Raju into the Global Medical Missions Hall of Fame as a member of the class of 2017.